Hi there and welcome to Steve's Collectibles. On this channel we unbox, review, and revisit collectibles from the past, present, and future. Today we are unboxing Gohan from the Banpresto Grandista collection. Before we get started, I'd appreciate it if you leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. As we're unboxing this, I'd just like to say I'm always excited to get a new Gohan figure. I believe he's underrated, and during this Cell arc, which is where this figure is from, this was the best Gohan of all time, in my opinion. As you saw when I unpackaged it, it did come in 9 separate pieces. That's including the foot stand, a Super Saiyan 1 head, as well as a Super Saiyan 2 head. As you can see, I'll show you a good comparison of them both. The hair color is slightly different between the two, as well as the eyes. As you can see, this figure is fairly easy to assemble. I'm going to assemble him as his Super Saiyan 1 first because I don't have any Gohan Super Saiyan 1s in my collection yet. Really excited about this. After we're finished here putting him together as a Super Saiyan 1, I will assemble the Super Saiyan 2 to show you, and then we'll head to the montage. As always, below there will be links on where you can purchase this figure. You can usually find this figure for under $30. I would greatly appreciate it if you do hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's jump into the montage.